customer states clicking noise coming from air compressor or air compressor pipe.
Hello, we gotta find out what's making that rubbing noise from yesterday.
Did you hear?
Well, I'll let you turn the wheel. Or do you have to turn it over? Well, I checked to make sure that nothing was rubbing on the steering. Because you want to know what happened? So yesterday I was out running somewhere for Mother's Day, right? And I went and was turning, and I was hearing a rubbing, like a rubber sound coming from my tires. So I just checked to make sure that it's not rubbing. So I'm just gonna run this for a few minutes to figure out what the dealio is and all. 'Cause yesterday I went and tested my sound system, and yeah, and then I went and opened up the door, turn it off. Apparently you have to open up the driver's door in order for the accessory modes to turn off. So that was really strange. So that's why I tested it. Then today there was an alarm that was going off that sounds just like my alarm, like my car horn going off. And it's someone that has the same type of vehicle as mine. Not gonna say what it is, because don't need people stalking me and looking out for that vehicle, but basically it's the same type of vehicle as mine. I'm not gonna say any more than that, but yeah, letting it run. Don't want to shut the battery off so soon because it'll die. Letting the AC run a little bit, making sure all that's working order. But anyway, just clean the windshield off a little bit. There we go. But yeah, someone's horn kept going off. I thought it was mine, so I went and checked it to make sure that it wasn't mine. Uh-oh, did you hear that? Set off my alarm to make sure that it was working properly. But yeah, I'm just letting this run for a few minutes. So, yeah. But anyway, wanted to give you guys just a little bit of an update. Yeah, so yesterday I went out, took this get some gas. And I only put in a gallon because, like I said, with this thing here, it wasn't like updating how much gas was being put in. So right now I'm where I was the last time I got gas. I keep hearing like a thud noise coming from this. I hope it's not. I don't know if you guys were hearing it, but there was like a bang. There's probably somebody out doing something. I don't see anybody. But yeah, thought I was hearing my own alarm go off, everything like that. It's probably somebody outside banging on something. Yeah, look, you got some people. This car. Letting in here idle a bit. Yeah, let's see if this person's gonna be able to reverse out without running into me. Yeah, that's not coming from my car. That's gotta be coming from outside. I'll take a look in a second. I'll let it run to see if there's any problems with the engine. Typical person, cigarette. Let me go find out what that noise is. Well, that was strange. I don't know where that noise was coming from. I think it was coming from that pipe thing that was connected to the radiator when they had the AC running. Well, let's look at the owner's manual and see what it says. Because it should say what it says on there. But yeah, as that was going off, I was feeling a lot of heat. Where's the layout for this thing? Let's see about the owner's manual. See what the dealio with that is. I mean, if there's something wrong making a noise, you know, that's something you need to find out about. Usually there's a diagram in here that shows where the engine compartment is. Introductions, maintaining. That would be 359. So let's see what the deal is with that. $359. Let's see. 58. Engine compartment. 362. Okay, so it's a cord. It's like a pipe that leads from the radiator up to here. And it happens when you are running the engine. But, alright, looks like I'll just have to look it up later. If anybody knows, do send me a message or comment. I'll see you guys in another video.